Hello everyone, I hope all of you are doing fine. I'm here again with a brand new video of the festival season. As we know, many festivals are coming ahead and we all want to look good. So if you want to get this beautiful, soft yet glam look, then keep on watching my video. Do subscribe to my channel if you have not yet done so and hit the bell icon, and if you are not new, then just give a thumbs up and share to your loved ones. I have already cleaned my face and applied a moisturizer and a lip balm, and I'm going to apply Benefit Cosmetics Pore Filler Primer. This amazing primer helps to minimize the pore around my nose area temporarily till I do the makeup, and it gives a very velvet and soft finishing touch. Primer helps to make your makeup long lasting, and it helps to control your sweat, and most of the important thing is it acts as a wall between your skin and the makeup. Also, it provides a very smooth base to apply your foundation and concealers. Moving ahead, I'm applying concealer under my eyes and everywhere where do I have my pimple marks and dark spots. Concealer helps to give an even tone to your face, and some of them use it after foundation to highlight your face as well. So you can do it either way. After applying the concealer, I'm just blending it with my beauty blender. If you have very dark pigmentation, then don't forget to use color corrector. That is very important. It helps to neutralize all your pigmentations. Now I'm applying foundation of Maybelline Superstay. As I've already applied a concealer, so I'm just going to apply a little of foundation, applying in dot and blending with the sponge. Now you might always be scared for applying foundations and concealer. You might think that your face is becoming so whitish and so bright, but it's never like that. Like after a few minutes of applying makeup, and like till you get dressed up, till you get your hairstyle done, your jewelry, then your face automatically oxidizes and it blends with everything. So you don't have to worry that your face is looking so whitish due to foundation. Go ahead, apply very less foundation, apply the correct shade, and there you go to rock on. Now I'm applying MAC Studio Fix Compressed. It is a foundation powder and it gives very natural look, and it sets my foundation in the best way it can. Now I'm contouring my face to the hollow of my cheeks, to my jaw lines, to my hairline and my nose bridge. Contouring helps to give dimensions to your face. You can do contouring in this way. You can see how am I doing. Make sure you don't contour with very dark contouring powder. It should be just 2 shades darker than your skin tone. After this, you can continue with blush and highlighting, but I'm going to do this today at the last of the makeup. Now I'm just grooming my eyebrows. Today I'm applying brown color eyebrow filler. I don't want it to look very dark and sharpy. I just want it to look natural. In this way, you can feel your eyebrows, the gap, and make sure you don't use very dark eyebrow fillers if you're a starter. Now I'm going to use the Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to make a crease with this dark brown shade. Just making a crease and blending with my eyeshadow blending brush. As always I say, if you have any kind of palette, you can just use the darker shade to make the crease and blend it. Now I'm applying a concealer and just making a half cut crease. I'm just taking my angular brush and a concealer and slowly creating a line, and my crease is only the guideline. Now I'm adding some pink in my inner corner. I'm dabbing the color till I'm satisfied, and I'm blending the edges till I'm satisfied. Now I'm just adding some glitter in the center of my eyelids. I'm not going to put any extra colors. I'm just going to add some glitter and just fade it out. You can also play with some colors, but make sure you blend your eyeshadow very well. Now I'm taking black eyeshadow in the same angular brush and I'm making an angle in my outer corner of my eyes, and I'm going to blend it out till I'm satisfied again. Whichever color, either it's purple or either it's blue, you can apply it in the outer corner, but make sure you blend it out very well. Don't make it so prominent. So you know how to apply and where to apply, then you can play with any eyeshadow color, guys, so don't be afraid of playing with colors again. I'm applying off-white kajal in the waterline, and beneath that I'm going to apply black gel eyeliner, and I'm going to take some black eyeshadow and fade it out. I'm going to just smoke it out. Now I'm applying a coat of mascara and getting it ready for the falsies. It's a very natural eyelashes, and I'm going to finish it with a simple wing eyeliner. You can see how slowly I'm dragging my eyeliner and the wing. You can also try like this way at your house whenever you're free. Again, taking a very little brown, same eyeshadow, I'm just going to smoke it out a little in the lower lash line. Now the blush time, guys. You know, you just have to smile and you have to just apply the blush. If your face is too white, apply it away from the cheekbones, away from the inner cheeks, and if your face is small, apply right on the apple of the cheek. Now I'm adding some shimmer highlighter on my inner cheeks because I want the glowy look. Now I'm highlighting my brow bone, the tip of my nose and the tip of my lips, and finishing it by applying a nude lipstick of Huda Beauty. Now to make your makeup long lasting and to melt all the powders that you've used and to make it look to the skin, not artificial but natural makeup, we can just use a makeup fixer. Your favorite one. This is my favorite one. And here you go, guys. Now you can play with your dress, you can play with the jewelries and accessories, and you are ready to go. Bindi is optional. If you're married, you can go with the colorful bindis. It looks stunning. And if you're not married, you can go with simply the white stone. I have shown both of the looks. You can carry this makeup look either in the daytime or even in the evening. If you want to change the lipstick shade, make it pink red, and you can carry it on and be confident and carry it. It will look absolutely gorgeous. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. You can share your feedback in the comment section below. And happy Durga Puja to all of you and your family, and all the happiness. God bless all of you. I will be soon back with the brand new video. Till then, love you all. Take care and bye-bye.